Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make this greeting card for Valentine's Day. You can use this card to express your love for your loved ones on special occasions like anniversaries or birthdays. We need to draw the heart shape in our card like this. And now I'm going to cut some flower shapes using this cutter from a white color card. Then we can press the flower as I'm doing here using an embossing tool to get a 3D look to the flower. We need to make more flowers like this to fill the heart shape. As the final step, we can paste the flowers to the greeting card. Now I'm adding the message like this. Hope you enjoyed our video. Give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.